History of C. 1. A modern language ALGOL was introduced in the year 1960s. ALGOL was the first computer language to use block structure, which gives the concept of structured programming and was widely used in Europe. 2. A language called BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, was developed by Martin Richards in 1967 for writing system software. 3. A language called B was developed by Ken Thompson in 1970, which was used to create early versions of the Unix operating system at Bell Laboratories. Both BCPL and B were typeless system programming languages. 4. A new language called Traditional C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972, which was evolved from ALGOL, BCPL and B. C language added the concept of data types and other powerful features from these languages. 5. The traditional C language became more popular after the publication of the book KN/C, that is, the C programming language by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie in 1978. 6. In 1983, the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) appointed a technical committee and defined a standard for C known as ANSI-C in 1989. 7. The C language was later approved by the International Standards Organization (ISO) in 1990, and this version of C is C89. 8. The Standardization Committee of C felt that a few features of C++ and Java, if added to C, would enhance the C language, and this version is commonly referred to as C99. Thank you.